This might freak you out. Here's what happens when you hold in a sneeze. Your glottis locks, pressure builds. The blast is meant to rocket out your nose and mouth. But you clamp it shut? Boom. Pressure ricochets into your sinuses and ears like a tiny internal explosion. It can shove air into your eustachian tubes, smack your eardrums, pop blood vessels, even leak air into your neck. Doctors have case reports of blown eardrums and torn throats from stifled sneezes. So don't cork the sneeze volcano. Aim for your elbow and let it rip. Mic drop. That's barotrauma. The same kind divers fear. From a sneeze. Wait, what?